welcome once again, dear
Hmm.
fans. Today, another the first take reaction.
Yeah.
So we're going to hear I or I welcome
Hmm.
Rain. So this is our second time reacting to her.
Yeah. First time was really cool,
Yeah.
really funky. So let's see what she has this time. So here we go.
Yosh.
I really like her.
Her smile.
Her smile. She has that energy. Like. See.
お願いします。この二つの手のひらが触れてきた。すべての記憶がいつか君の手を掴む。どこまでが前かき、なぜ分かり合えない本音さえ置き去り、今ではもう未来に檻をそろ誰かに嘘をつくない君のことを信じていたい。
It's a twisted and turn in this song I didn't expect it. It sounded to me more like a ballad and a slow song, and now all of a sudden it's turning into.
Yeah.
It's a.
Just like the first one. The way she. About the song is there is like an intro. There's a climax. There is like
Yeah.
It comes the different scene or genre.
It is, but it's funky music. I like it. It's very upbeat and it's got something nice and rhythm in it.
She can sing easily. you know that she reminded me of the song The Greatest Showman. I think she can really sing that one.
Definitely.
Because with the way she sing with her vocal, the pitch, and she sound echoing, you know.
Yeah, and as soon as she starts singing English, she sounds so international. It's such a beautiful voice. It's almost like R&B or gospel voice she has as well. She could do that as well.
Guys, did she ever cover a song or just a plain English song? Did she ever sing an English song? You can let us know the title of the song or any link of it. You can leave down below in the comment section later on.
Please.
Welcome, 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 rain, 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 rain.
That was beautiful. You did it great.
I really like her personality because she is really in the mode of singing, and as soon as that music stops, she turns and she starts smiling with that
She has
radiant smile. I love it.
Yeah, she is like she give us glitters. She give us smile. Look at her smile. It's wow.
Yeah, I like it. I really love it. And then her eyes glitter with it. It's beautiful. I don't know. She's a beautiful person. I can tell already.
With her voice, wow.
Yeah.
So
Anyway.
yeah, very beautiful. So that's all for today.
Yeah. Let us know about any other songs by her. So we can start following her a bit more. So that's it for today.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for us so we can
hit that notification bell as well, so you don't miss any of our upload, just like this one.
Yeah. Sayonara.
Yeah. Sayonara.
Bye.